Create and manage production orders with BOM control. Production planning begins in the manufacturing module to manage shop floor execution and resource allocation. The production orders listing centralizes all manufacturing requests, tracking progress from initial demand to completion. Creating a new order initiates the formal request for material processing and assembly operations. Selecting the customer name and plant links the production demand to specific client requirements and facilities. The production item identifies the specific goods being manufactured for this manufacturing cycle. Bill of materials defines the standardized recipe and component quantities required for successful assembly-disassembly process. Production quantity sets the total volume for manufacture, driving the calculation of required raw materials. Package quantity and item cost per unit determine the logistical handling and financial valuation of output. The reference number provides a unique identifier for cross-referencing external documentation or sales orders. Production date establishes the scheduled timeline for floor activities to ensure timely order fulfillment. Specific remarks and technical attachments ensure shop floor operators have essential context and blueprints. The material details section lists all necessary raw materials, semi-to-finished materials and finished goods alongside their associated costs for transparency. Reviewing individual line items enforces inventory accuracy and validates component availability for the batch. Semi-finished products tracking monitors intermediary stages within complex, multi-step manufacturing workflows. Finished products visibility confirms the expected output and any secondary by-products generated during production. Confirming the order formalizes the production schedule, updating real-time demand across the enterprise dashboard. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.